How to enable or disable hardware acceleration in Google Chrome. If you want to turn hardware acceleration on or off to improve Chrome's performance or fix display issues, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, click the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. In the left sidebar, click System. Now, look for the option that says Use graphics acceleration when available. If you want to enable hardware acceleration, turn this option on. If you want to disable it, simply turn the option off. Next, click Relaunch to restart Google Chrome and apply the changes. Once Chrome opens again, the new hardware acceleration setting will be active. If Chrome was running slowly, freezing, or having display problems, you can try switching the setting on or off to see if it improves performance. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Google Chrome tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.